Take a ride in the 2015 M3. Taking the already regarded BMW 3 Series, the M version has been taken to new heights. The M letter stands for the company's Motorsports Performance Division and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.